It is winter in the oak savannas of California. The deciduous oaks have dropped their leaves, but some trees still have green in their branches. This is Phoradendron leucarpum, American mistletoe. This plant is a member of the mistletoe family, Viscaceae. Plants in this family, collectively referred to as mistletoes, are most notable for being parasitic on the above-ground parts of various woody plants. Mistletoes produce specialized organs called haustoria in order to attach to their hosts. Come with us into the stacks to take a peek at the mistletoe collections we have housed in the herbarium. Here is a selection of vouchered haustoria we have stored in the herbarium. They may not look like much, but inside each of these specimens we are able to examine how haustoria tap into the vascular tissue of the host in order to absorb water and nutrients. Some mistletoes are quite host-specific, only parasitizing a single species or a small group of species. This means that knowing the identity of the host plant may help you identify which mistletoe may be parasitizing it. The flowers of mistletoes are reduced in size and grow in inflorescences of bracted spikes, racemes, or cymes. The bracts are scale-like, opposite, and fused into two paired sets. Each flower is either staminate or pistillate. The staminate flowers have sessile anthers, generally attached directly to the perianth parts. The pistillate flowers have inferior ovaries that possess one chamber. The style is short and unbranched with an inconspicuous stigma. These flower parts are very tiny and difficult to see without magnification. Mistletoe fruits are shiny berries. Each fruit contains one or rarely two seeds that have a gelatinous coating. The seeds are dispersed by birds, who consume the berries and excrete the seeds when perched. The gelatinous coating on the seeds helps it to adhere to the host plant where it can germinate. Birds don't just use mistletoe as a food source, but also as nesting sites. The evergreen leaves provide ample cover in winter when the tree is leafless, and the many branches provide good support for nest construction. A tree loaded in mistletoe is usually a clue that it is a favorite perch of the local bird population. There are 3 genera of mistletoes in California. The most diverse genus is Phoradendron. Species of Phoradendron typically have long stems that are green, sometimes yellowish, grayish-green, or reddish. The leaves can be well developed or scale-like. The fruits are spheric and white, pink, or red. The flowers have 3 perianth parts, and the staminate flowers have 2 chambered anthers. They grow on numerous woody angiosperms and a few genera of conifers such as Abies, Chalcedrus, Juniperus, and Hesperocyperus. There are 4 species of Phoradendron in California. Another genus of mistletoe, Viscum, is naturalized in California. Though the genus Viscum is diverse worldwide, only one species is known to be naturalized in California, Viscum album, European mistletoe. It is similar to Phoradendron, but in European mistletoe there are 4 perianth parts, not 3. The leaves and fruits are bigger. European mistletoe commonly parasitizes genera not favored by our native species of the mistletoe, such as Acer, Betula, Crataegus, Malus, and Ulmus. However, it may also be found growing on some genera that may serve as hosts for native Phoradendron, such as Alnus, Populus, Robinia, and Salix. The 3rd genus of mistletoe in California is very unlike the first 2 we've discussed. Arceuthobium, the dwarf mistletoes, typically grow on conifers. They are smaller than other mistletoes in California and often lack the green coloration. Their leaves are not well developed. Instead, they are inconspicuous and scale-like. The fruits are 2-colored, but never white, pink, or red. The pistillate flowers have 2 perianth parts, and the anthers on the staminate flowers are 1-chambered. They grow on a few genera of conifers, never on angiosperms. Dwarf mistletoe fruits are explosive. When ripe, pressure builds within the fruit. When it reaches its breaking point, it bursts and expels the seeds at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. The sticky seeds adhere to nearby branches or other trees where they can then germinate. If any critters happen to be nearby when the fruits burst, the seeds may adhere to them as well, dispersing them even more widely. There are 3 morphologically distinctive species of Arceuthobium in California. There you have it. We hope you come away with a newfound appreciation for the benefits to wildlife and the fascinating set of life strategies employed by mistletoes. They are truly a unique group of native taxa in the California flora. Thanks for watching and learning all about the mistletoes of California. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos about the amazing plants of California.